All right, so in this video, we're going to be going over the crunch. It's a very basic core exercise. There's a couple pointers and tips I'm going to give you to help you execute it properly. Let's get into it. So the classic crunch. All right, as you can see here, I am going to be facing away to start. You'll see my knees are apart and I'm going nice and slow and controlled. This is how it should be done with most exercises, if not all. I'm going to have my feet firmly planted on the ground, close to my bum. My heels and toes are going to remain planted and my arms are going to project towards the ceiling. So I'm not doing a sit-up motion where I'm going towards my knees. I'm pushing off the ground and trying to reach something on the ceiling. That's going to pull my shoulder blades off the ground and be way more effective for your core. How this guy works is your lower back is going to stay on the ground the entire time. I'm going to do 15 in a row here, and this is from that ab workout video. My feet will stay planted the whole time. And if I wanted to make this harder for myself, I could simply hold a weight, I could hold my crunch, I could slow it down, or I'll show you some progressions in some later videos that you can do. But super easy and very effective for a burn. Thank you guys for watching this video till the end. If you found this helpful for either yourself or someone that you know, please leave a like or a comment. And if you want to be notified when I post new videos, definitely consider subscribing. Remember that practice makes progress.